Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda Renee and we are back with another first impressions video on the Camille Rose Black Castor Oil and Chebe Shampoo. So if you're interested to see my thoughts, definitely keep on watching. Alrighty, so as you're seeing, my hair is dry. So as per usual, I'm going to rinse my hair with warm water, then I'll come back when it's time to apply the shampoo. Alrighty, so my hair is drenched. And before I get into the application, brand new bottle. So for sure it is a first impressions. Taking off the seal. Ooh, I love the smell. It smells like it has lavender in it. Okay. Alrighty. I really like the packaging for this bottle. I love the blue and I also love the nozzle. I really appreciated that with the sweet ginger cleansing rinse, so I know I'd like this. It says that it is a cleanse and it is an invigorating scalp treatment shampoo. On the back it says drench strands in the shower and apply the cleansing shampoo throughout the length of hair. For thicker textures, section first before applying to ensure every strand is penetrated. Use fingers or palms massage to emulsify with water until hair is clean. Follow up with deep conditioner from this line. I don't have it, but this is still the first impressions of this shampoo. And I smelled lavender oil in here. Let me see if it is actually in here. Flaxseed. It's probably from the fragrance, but I'm not seeing lavender oil in here. So let us go. I will drench my hair again. Just adding a little bit of water. Alright, so literally dripping wet, and as you're seeing, the shampoo is black because it does have black castor in it. So I'm going to take about this amount of shampoo, and I usually use this amount, and it is thicker than the other shampoo I reviewed. So definitely check it out if you haven't already. This is the shampoo emulsified and I'm loving the smell. So it really is lathering. I may need a little bit more shampoo just because I want it to penetrate my hair properly. I find that on my first wash I have to add a little bit more shampoo, although I rinse my hair before shampooing, but that is fine. So as you're seeing, it's a lathering up. I'm able to detangle just a little bit, but it did say that it's a cleansing shampoo and I'm already feeling my strands being cleansed. So it's a little stronger than a moisturizing shampoo for sure, but I definitely feel the dirt lifting off my scalp. I'm definitely not complaining at all. this section, then I'll be back to show how my hair feels, how my hair looks, sorry, and share how my hair feels after this first wash. Then I'll demonstrate another wash on camera before sharing my final thoughts. Alright, so I am back and they weren't lying when they said it was a cleansing shampoo. My hair isn't the most moisturized. It doesn't feel the most moisturized. The shampoo is on the clarifying side, but it does give your hair a nice clean, so I can definitely appreciate that about the shampoo. It's not too stripping, but it's definitely stripping. So I'm going in with another set, probably about this much, because my hair was clean the first time. So that's going to go in again. And as expected, I didn't need to go in with some more after what I used the first time. So, lovely lather, cleansing for sure. I'll speed up this portion, then I'll be back after the other side of my hair is completed. Alrighty, so I am back after both washes, and here are my final thoughts. The first thing, this shampoo gives a good clean. However, it is a little bit on the clarifying side, meaning that it will take off a little bit more dirt than a moisturizing shampoo would. So your hair is going to feel just a little bit dry. If that is not your cup of tea, don't try the shampoo. However, if you don't mind it, mind you, the shampoo will not completely strip your hair. In my experience, at least, it did not completely strip my hair. So if you are interested in a shampoo that will give you a good cleanse and will remove basically all the oil that you have in your hair, definitely check out this shampoo by Camille Rose. Now, the two things that I will say about this, the fragrance. If you have a sensitive nose, I was sneezing a little bit earlier. I don't usually sneeze when I use shampoos, but this time around I did sneeze. There may have been more factors that I'm not aware of, but as of right now, I am linking the sneezing to the shampoo because nothing else has really changed. So in regard to the fragrance, if you do have a sensitive nose, this shampoo may not be for you, because I don't want you to sneeze when using this shampoo. Wash times are supposed to be an enjoyable experience, and if you're going to sneeze, don't give the shampoo a try. But if fragrance doesn't bother you, go ahead and use the shampoo, because as I said, it gives a nice clean. The second thing, and I said this about my last Camille Rose shampoo review, if you can get this shampoo at a cheaper price than where I am currently, definitely pick it up, because you are getting 12 ounces worth of product and you really don't need that much product. As you could have heard just now, I sound just a little bit stuffy, but we move. If you can get this shampoo at a cheaper price, definitely go for it. The last thing that I will say about the shampoo before I give the rating, there are shampoos that can allow you to detangle while you're washing your hair, and that's because of the slip that it has and the moisturizing properties. However, my experience, my first impressions, no other time I've used this, my first impressions are that this shampoo is not ideal to detangle with in the shower unless you want to break your hair. As I said, it is not too clarifying to where you'd have to wonder why your hair is so dry, but I do not recommend you doing a light detangle while you wash your hair, especially with a detangling tool. You're setting yourself up for failure. But other than that, I will definitely give this shampoo a solid 8 out of 10 because I really like the cleansing aspect. I really like that a little goes a long way. I really like that it suds up really well. I really like that it cleans my hair. So I would give it an 8 because it is a good shampoo and a good cleansing shampoo, as it said in the name. So I would definitely say that it did live up to its expectations with being a cleansing shampoo. So once again, I will give this an 8 out of 10. And with that being said, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end, make sure to like this video if you enjoyed the first impressions process. Subscribe for more natural hair content, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.